And pride sticks out its tongue, laughs at the portrait that we've become, stuck in a frame, unable to change. I was wrong. I'm late, but I'm here right now. Though I used to be romantic, I forgot somehow. Time can make you blind, but I see you now. As we're laying in the darkness, did I wait too long to turn the lights back on? Here, stuck on a hill, outsiders inside the home that we build. The cold settles in, it's been a long winter, it's all been different. Maybe you love me, maybe you don't. Maybe you'll learn to, and maybe you won't. You've had enough, but I won't give up on you. I'm late, but I'm here right now, and I'm trying to find the magic that we lost somehow. Maybe I was blind, but I see you now. As we're laying in the darkness, did I wait too long to turn the lights back on? I'm late, but I'm here right now. Is there still time for forgiveness? Won't you tell me how? I can't read your mind, but I see you now. As we're laying in the darkness, did I wait too long to turn the lights back on? Here right now, yes, I'm here right now, looking for forgiveness. I can see as we're laying in the darkness. Yes, we're laying in the darkness. Did I wait too long to turn the lights back on? Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. I hope you enjoyed that cover of Billy Joel's newest song, Turn the Lights Back On. Great song, right? I mean, sometimes when artists come back after a while after not doing anything, it's just not the same. You know, they put on an album or something and you're like, that's good. But Billy Joel's songwriting skills and his voice, oh my gosh, it's all just top level. Love this song, love playing. I'm so glad we get another one, and I hope that he does some more. But if he doesn't, we still have all this music that he's given us through the decades. And so let's get to this here. I'm going to give you just a little help, some tips that I thought I'd help you with. If you want step-by-step lessons, they're on my website. And you can also download my sheets for this, very helpful. But we're going to kind of look at this to give you guys some tips overall on how to play this, some tips for you. So first of all, we are in 12/8 time. You have to get the counting on this. Most things are in common time, 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or it could go faster, the tempo could, but most things are in what's called common time. This is in 12/8. It's kind of like Piano Man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's a little slower than that. It's more legato, more connected, I think. But 12/8 has 4 big beats in it with 3 little beats inside each big beat. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, but inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the key is to get the lilt. It kind of lilts along. Da, 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 da. It's not like a waltz. 4. It's wa la 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 la. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Piano Man is a little bit more, bump, 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 kind of jovial. But this is more connected here. So 12/8, get that feel in your bones. And the second tip I want to give you is, this is not very complicated here. The verse chords are the same chords as the chorus chords, okay? So you'll start at the beginning, please open the door. Nothing is different, been here before. Okay? So you see those chords there. When you do the chorus, it's these chords right here. It's not any different. You just have to learn the pattern for those chords, okay? So you don't have a whole lot of chords to learn, and they'll fall under your fingers exactly the same way. So it's not like you have to learn these different fingerings and everything. You just have to learn the pattern. Now, when you do the pattern on the chorus, let me give you a tip on that, on technically playing it. It sounds very classical, and of course, Billy's very influenced by classical music, Beethoven especially. But you want to make sure your elbow can come out on the... Okay, you can't really see that in the overhead view, so I got my new view here that I hope you guys have been enjoying. Now, I'm overdoing it a little bit, but that shoulder joint should move, and that's what makes the elbow comes out. So the elbow joint is not... the elbow comes out, but it's that shoulder. All the way up to your shoulders is where our technique is. So we tend to just think about our fingers, but it's really everything. It's our finger joints, it's our wrist, it's our elbow, and our shoulder joint need to be able to flow and move. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. La, la. Feel that beat pulsing through there. That'll help you make it flow instead of going da, 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 da. You don't want that, okay? So that's the third tip I will offer you on that, guys. And good luck on this one. It's very fun. And I'll see you on the website, and we'll learn the whole thing. Talk to you later.